Today, we are going to discuss this question from SMO 2022 open section. Given that ABCD is a square, we construct a point E such that CE is parallel to BD and the length of BE equals to the length of BD. And also given that BE equals to square root 6 plus square root 2. What is the value of DH? The key idea to solve this is to get the measurement of this angle. Please have a good try before you look at the answer.
Pause the video now if you wish to solve it. Keep watching the video once ready.
Now, first of all, BE is equal to BH. So meaning that the diagonal of this square is equal to square root 6 plus square root 2. And note that this will be equal to a 45 degree, and this is 90 degree. The diagonal is equal to square root 6 plus square root 2. We know from Pythagoras theorem that this will be of ratio 1 square root 2. And since this is square root 6 plus square root 2, it means that this will be square root 3 plus 1. Now square root 3 plus 1 is about 2.732. For those who are familiar with SMO question, all the answer will be of integer value. DH obviously must be either 1 and 2. From the diagram, it should be equal to 2. But now, we'll give a rigorous proof. Y is equal to 2. Now, as mentioned, we need to find out what is this angle. There are various ways to get the answer, and I'll show you one of my favorite. Now, consider CE. We know that CE will be equal to BD. Let's call the midpoint as O. Then we know that OC will be half of AC, which means that OC is half of BD. Now, since BD and CE are parallel, what I'm going to do is I will shift this OC to here, so that this length is still same as OC. And this is 90 degree. Call this as O prime. Focus on the triangle O prime, B and E. O prime, B and E. What happened is that O prime E equals to OC, which is half of BE. So the ratio of this right angle triangle is 1 to 2. Since this is 1 to 2, that's why the angle here must equal to 30 degree. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Since this is 30 degree, then this is 15 degree. I'll first look at what happened to CH. CH over BC will equal to tangent 15 degree. Then we need to find out a tangent 15 degree. We can get the tangent 15 degree by a simple graph like this. This is 1 to 2, and therefore this is the diagram shows here a right angle triangle with the ratio 1 to 2, and this is square root 3. Now we can get the angle of 15 degree here by extending this and join them together. Okay, so this is of length 2, this is of length 2 as well. And therefore these two has to be the same and somehow equals to 30 degree. So this must be 15 degree and 15 degree. And therefore from here, we know that tangent 15 degree will equal to 1 over 2 plus square root 3. And this will be 2 minus square root 3. Because 2 plus square root 3 times 2 minus square root 3 equals to 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. Now, CH therefore equals to 2 minus square root 3 times BC. BC equals to square root 3 plus 1. So this will be equal to 2 square root 3 plus 2 minus 3 minus square root 3. And this is equal to square root 3 minus 1. And therefore now DH will equal to, the overall is square root 3 plus 1 minus CH, that is square root 3 minus 1. And the answer is equal to 2. So as conjectured just now, dh is an integer value and it is equal to 2. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.